Have you noticed something different about travel videos lately? Faceless travel videos are booming. Creators are finding unique ways to share their adventures without showing their faces. This style is captivating audiences worldwide. It's time to explore how you can join this exciting trend. Imagine breathtaking landscapes and immersive experiences taking center stage. That's the beauty of faceless travel videos. They put the destination in the spotlight. Viewers connect with the journey, not just the traveler. This approach opens up a world of creative possibilities. You can showcase the beauty of a place without distractions. It's about sharing the experience in a fresh, engaging way. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, gather your gear and head out on your adventure. Don't overthink the filming process. Focus on capturing the essence of your journey. Think stunning landscapes, unique details, and immersive experiences. Record steady shots of your surroundings. Use a tripod or stabilizer for smooth footage. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Capture the grand scale of a mountain range. Then, zoom in on intricate details of local crafts. Remember, storytelling is key. Think about the narrative you want to create. Film a sequence of shots that flow together. For example, capture the journey from a bustling city center to a tranquil temple. This will keep your viewers engaged. Most importantly, have fun. Let your passion for travel shine through. The more you enjoy the filming process, the more captivating your videos will be. Now comes the exciting part, using AI to craft your faceless masterpiece. Remember all those amazing shots you captured? AI tools can help you seamlessly remove yourself from the footage. This puts the focus solely on your travel experiences. AI technology has come a long way. User-friendly software can now intelligently identify and erase your presence in videos. Imagine walking through a bustling market, and then, poof! The focus shifts entirely to the vibrant stalls and captivating energy of the crowd. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Experiment with different AI effects and transitions. Create a sense of mystery as you seemingly teleport between stunning locations. Or let your viewers feel like they're walking alongside you, experiencing the journey firsthand. Remember, the goal is to use AI as a tool to enhance your storytelling. Let it help you create captivating faceless travel videos that transport your audience. Section 4. Choosing your AI arsenal. Top tools for seamless edits. Feeling overwhelmed by the world of AI video editing? Don't worry. There are plenty of user-friendly tools available. These platforms make crafting faceless travel videos a breeze. One popular option is Runway AI. This powerful software offers a range of AI-powered tools. Easily remove yourself from videos, create stunning visual effects, and generate captivating transitions. It's a game changer for faceless travel content. If you're familiar with Adobe Premiere Pro, you're in luck. This industry-standard software now incorporates AI features. Use these tools to streamline your editing process. Quickly remove unwanted objects, enhance footage quality, and add professional-looking effects. For those seeking a mobile-friendly option, CapCut is a great choice. This intuitive app offers a variety of AI-powered features, including background removal and object tracking. Edit your faceless travel videos on the go, directly from your smartphone or tablet. Remember to explore different tools and find the ones that best suit your needs and editing style. Experiment with various features and unleash your creativity. Elevating your videos. Tips and tricks for polished results. Ready to take your faceless travel videos to the next level? Here are a few tips to make them shine. Small details make a big difference. Choose the right music. Music sets the mood. Add engaging text overlays. Don't forget your thumbnail. Pay attention to pacing and flow. Captivate your audience with these tips. Section 6. The Allure of Faceless Travel. Videos. Unveiling the benefits. Why are faceless travel videos so captivating? Let's explore the benefits of this growing trend. Faceless videos put the destination front and center. Viewers can fully immerse themselves in the beauty and wonder of the places you showcase. It's all about the journey, not the traveler. This leads to enhanced storytelling. Section 7. Embrace the future AI as your travel video ally. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the possibilities for creating stunning faceless travel videos. Embrace these advancements and let AI become your trusted travel video ally. Imagine a future where AI can automatically generate entire travel videos from your raw footage. Or picture yourself using voice commands to edit videos in real time, effortlessly removing unwanted elements and adding captivating effects. The possibilities are endless. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it will empower creators to push the boundaries of storytelling and create even more immersive and engaging travel experiences. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, embrace the power of AI, and start crafting your own faceless travel masterpieces. The world is waiting to be explored through your unique lens. Happy travels.